Nvidia is one of the most powerful tech companies right now, and they just ruined their trust with gamers. Yesterday they showed DLSS 5, saying it's their biggest breakthrough in computer graphics since ray tracing. But the backlash is insane. I worked with game graphics and animations for over a decade. Older versions of DLSS boost performance by generating extra frames, but the downside is some ghosting artifacts. Until Nvidia introduced version 5, which uses generative AI to alter the image, hence the backlash. I'll cover everything in this video. Right now it requires 2 high-end GPUs, one to render the game and one for DLSS. Nvidia says this is scalable and should be ready to launch in the fall. It adds fidelity and even better performance to the games. They showcased it on Hogwarts Legacy, Resident Evil and other games. So what's the big deal? Why don't people love this? Games in general can tend to look a bit flat in scenes with subtle light, like a cloudy day. I can see why Nvidia is trying to fix this. What DLSS 5 does is not only generate extra frames, it enhances the light and detail, even changing light sources to have a different color and add intensity. It's not only the light, it also adds details like wrinkles and skin pores. It's an altered AI version of the game, like an AI filter on top of it, effectively turning it into AI slop. That's why gamers aren't happy. In Nvidia's announcement video, many comments says that Grace from Resident Evil is turning into a different person. In this side by side we can clearly see the change. It enhances the light, but AI has this tendency to make everything equal, meaning one light source is no longer subtle. Both lights that hits the face are now the same intensity. All images becomes generic and it looks the same. It kind of smooths out the image. The big thing is that it becomes a different game. Details are added, but not like the devs intended. This looks bad because of the smoothing and light enhancing. What's really amazing to see is gamers' backlash against AI. Artists have been against it for years now. It clearly shows me that gamers want handcrafted games, even if that means mistakes. Currently the dislike ratio on the video is 78% dislikes. As a dev, I would never use Gen AI in my games. It feels like big companies are shoving AI down our throats. I don't want AI everywhere. I'm sick of suits putting AI in every possible way. What do you think about this? Do you care if a game uses AI? If you like controversy, I made a video revealing a scam about game devs who's selling courses to beginners. It digs into how they use false reviews to boost their credibility.